Hi everybody, Rexy's back. Of course I'm gonna come back before Christmas and do a Christmas tree. What are you thinking? Okay, I know it's been a few days, but I've been busy. There's lots of holiday things to do. So anyways, today we're gonna do a Christmas tree. Of course we're gonna do a Christmas tree before Christmas. So anyways, let's get started. Here we go. Okay, and this is gonna be another good one. We're gonna start with a paper towel roll, or I used a wrapping paper roll cut in half. It's going to be a tabletop tree, of course. So here we go. And we're going to use, again, our trusty glue gun and a paper plate. I got a paper plate here. And we're going to glue the paper towel roll on top here with our trusty glue gun here. Oh, forgot to plug it in. It'll just take a minute over here. I can plug it in and start something else. Okay, we'll just wait a few minutes for that there. And we use some slicks from the advertisements you get in the mail all through Christmas time. You get a lot of advertisements, We just open the magazine and cut it in half and half again. And we make these little cones out of it here, like this, and you just take it like this here, and you make a little cone like that. And you can either use tape, or you can use hot glue, like that there. And then you glue it up into a cone, and it comes out like this here. Right like that, a cone. Nice and easy, and you can either hot glue it or tape it like that. Let's see if our glue gun's ready yet. Not quite, but we're gonna need another glue stick on there. We're gonna go ahead and put it on there. Oh yes, I hope you've all been having a fun Christmas time. There we go. Let's check it out now. Oh, yes, it's working very nice now. We're going to go ahead and put a glob of hot glue on a paper plate there. Make it stick up nice and straight over there. There we go. See that there? I like hot glue because it works fast like that. See that there? Isn't that nice? Okay, then I got a couple cones ready here for you to see. Okay, and then to make it look like a tree over here, we're gonna put it on. We're gonna hot glue the end, or you can tape it, and we're gonna fold it and stick it on just like that. And hold it a few, make sure it sticks. And we're gonna go all the way around. See how that works there? Ain't that nice? Okay, see that there? Ain't that nice? It sticks real nice, don't it? Okay. And then you just keep going up. And I'm going to show you how pretty it looks too. All finished up, it looks so pretty. Okay, and you take it all the way up to the top. Okay? And then, when it's done, presto! You have your finished tree. And then when it's like this, you can spray it green if you want to. With a can of spray paint is what I like to use. And like that. And it's a beautiful Christmas tree for you to use on your tabletop like that. Isn't that nice? I love it. I think it's beautiful. And if you want to, you can make a star for the top. You can cut it out of cardboard or tin foil. You can make a nice tin foil star. Any kind of things you can put on top of the star. And there you have it, a lovely tree, just like that for your tabletop. It's beautiful. You can put it on your end table, your coffee table. If you have company coming over. Isn't that beautiful? People love it. I get lots of compliments on it when I put it around the house like that there. And that's our Christmas craft for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you. Bye-bye.